Hello friends. Welcome to my channel Limegreen. In this video I will tell you how to use hair wax strips on body. Okay friends. Let's get started. At-home waxing can be an affordable method for hair removal, but it's important to take precautions. Never wax sunburned or very sensitive skin, and don't wax if you have taken isotretinoin in the last 6 months. It may also be a good idea to leave Brazilian waxes to the professionals, since the skin in that area is particularly delicate. For the best technique and results, dermatologists recommend the following tips. Number 1. Ensure optimal hair length. Before waxing, make sure your hair is about 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch long. If hair is longer, trim it to a shorter length using safety scissors so that waxing will be less messy and painful. Number 2. Avoid retinoid creams before waxing. Avoid using over-the-counter skin care products containing retinol and prescription retinoids 2 to 5 days prior to waxing your face to avoid removing skin along with your hair. Number 3. Reduce discomfort. Since waxing can be painful for some people, consider ways to reduce discomfort. Taking over-the-counter pain medication, such as ibuprofen, or applying cold packs to the skin about 30 minutes before waxing, may help. Number 4. Wash and dry the area. Before waxing, gently wash the area you're about to wax to remove dirt, dead skin cells and skin care products. Afterwards, dry your skin thoroughly. Clean, dry skin allows the wax to adhere properly. Number 5. Warm the wax. Follow the directions on the package, and always test the temperature of the wax by applying a small amount to the inside of your wrist. It should be warm, but not hurt or burn. Number 6. Apply the wax. Apply the wax to a small section of your skin with unwanted hair. For the best results, always spread the wax in the direction of hair growth. Number 7. Apply the cloth strip. Once the wax is applied, place the cloth strip over the wax and press down firmly. Leave the cloth on for 2 to 3 seconds. Number 8. Remove the cloth strip. To remove, hold your skin taut with one hand and use your other hand to quickly pull off the cloth in the opposite direction of hair growth. If you're waxing a tricky spot to reach, such as the underarms, consider asking a friend or relative to help you. Number 9. Soothe your skin. After waxing, soothe your skin by applying cold packs if you have pain, avoiding hot baths and showers, wearing loose clothing and applying moisturizer that won't clog your pores. Look for moisturizers labeled oil-free or non-comedogenic. If you want to buy this now, you can buy from Amazon, the link given in the description below. If you like this video, like it and share it with friends, and also subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you can never miss our new updates. Thanks for watching.